Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Okay, so we are going to do this video on a P0300 code, which is a random engine misfire code. So basically, this code is generally a lot more difficult to diagnose because it's not gonna give you a specific cylinder that's misfiring, or specific cylinders that are misfiring. Now, if you're getting a P0300 code with a P0301, P0302, P0304, etc., etc., then that would be an easier it'll make it a lot easier to diagnose and to troubleshoot the situation. But a lot of times you get that P0300 code without any other codes outside of that. All right, which makes it a lot more difficult to diagnose. All right, again, if you get a P0300 code with a P0301 and a P0304, which is, it'll tell at that point which two cylinders are misfiring, which random cylinders are misfiring. And basically, in those situations, you could either get to the fuel injectors, change up the fuel injectors, change up the coils, troubleshoot, maybe change out the spark plugs, etc., etc. Or if you get the code with a camshaft or a crankshaft sensor code, then you know that it could possibly be the camshaft, crankshaft sensor that's the issue. But generally speaking, there are a lot of things that could cause a P0300 code. From my own personal experience, a lot of times that code is caused by an engine leak, a vacuum leak. All right, most of the time that code is caused by a vacuum leak in one of the vacuum lines. Reason being is, if you're getting a P0300 code without any other codes outside of that, what you're gonna do, what a lot of people will do, is they'll try to figure out which couple of cylinders are misfiring. They'll try to figure out whether and then the troubleshooting step with that is you're gonna have to troubleshoot all the fuel injectors. You're gonna have to troubleshoot all the coils. You're gonna have to troubleshoot all the spark plugs. Here's the thing with that, okay? Normally what happens is, if there's a rare chance that all those cylinders would misfire, but you won't get a code specifically for those cylinders. All right, normally what you're doing is you're watching this video because you're getting just the P0300 code. That's the only code you're getting. You're getting no other codes besides that. So your first step would, from my own personal experience, it's a vacuum leak. All right, what you want to do is you want to do a smoke test. All right, you want to do a smoke test to make sure that there is no leaks, because there are a bunch of vacuum tubes. You want to make sure that there are no vacuum leaks. That's the first thing you do. And chances are, if you're getting the P0300 code without any other codes associated with that, from my own experience, it's a very, very, very good chance there's a vacuum leak that is causing it. It's probably not caused by your spark plugs, probably not caused by your coils, probably not caused by the fuel injector, probably not caused by a weak fuel pump, probably not caused by any of those things outside of a vacuum leak. So check out your vacuum system first. All right, see if there's any leaks. Now, you know, that's the first place you're going to start. Chances are you're going to find that there is a leak, and that's what's causing the codes. All right, guys? So if you have any questions, you know, if you have any comments at all, leave your comments in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All right, guys? Take care.